Introducing the Stick-On Will Weight Tool, a versatile, all-in-one solution for removing, installing, and cutting wheel balancing weights. One tool for every job. With adjustable jaws, it fits a variety of wheel weights. This one does it all. Say goodbye to scratches. The plastic-covered jaws protect alloy rims during removal, while the adjustable jaws make it easy to handle different types of stick-on weights safely and efficiently. Effortlessly press stick-on weights into place. The hammer end, covered with a non-marring head, ensures smooth and precise installation without damaging rims. Engineered for precision, the F39212 Stick-On Will Weight Tool features an optimal jaw width and carefully measured dimensions to ensure reliable performance and compatibility with your workspace. Streamline your wheel balancing work with FIRSTINFO's Stick-On Will Weight Tool, crafted for precision, protection, and efficiency.